Hey guys, welcome back. It's Trail Killer. Thanks for watching again. And today we're going to talk about my Whisperlite Universal. It's my new toy. I got this for multiple reasons, mostly because my Superfly limited to me a little bit on what I could use in terms of type of fuel, sometimes the size of the pan or pot that I wanted to use on there. It definitely limited me in the winter time because I could only get so much fuel to be used out of this, because when it's cold it doesn't use the liquid part of it, and I couldn't turn it upside down, whereas this I can. Plus I can use it anywhere in the outside of the country if I fly, maybe go to Hawaii next year, hike coming, all kinds of reasons. I mean, no matter where I go, pretty much I can use a fuel type for this Universal. In the box comes with instructions in multiple languages, most importantly English. Comes with a lot of little adapters for different fuel types, a little wrench and some oil for the pump cup. A bag to keep those in, has a little zipper, and I can store all my stuff in there. A wind blocker, and a little ground mat. Comes with the pump that will actually be used if I use this type of fuel system, which is gasoline or white gas or some other fuel types other than the canister. I would use this connection if I was to use that. For now, if I was using a canister, this type, I use this connection, and it comes with a little kickstand so it's nice and neat on the ground. This folds out pretty nice and has a huge wide area to put whatever I want on there, and it does fold up very nicely in its bag along with its ground cover. And that is it. That's what gets packed in the pack. So let's get in the field and actually give this a try. Alright guys, so we're in the field now, and we're going to set this up using the canisters first. So just so you know, this is the wind blocker that comes with it, and we're going to keep this off just because I want to be able to show you, how it lights up and stuff. So we're going to keep that off. And this is for the snow, so it doesn't melt through. We don't need to use that either right now. We'll put this little thing on. It keeps the canister upright in a nice position without falling over. And that's really about it. You can get yourself whatever striking tool you want. I just brought some matches. And that's it. Got a nice flame. Now when you turn it off, it actually takes about 20 seconds. Now it's off. It takes about 20 seconds for all the fuel to get out of the line. So that's something you might want to remember. So it's still going pretty good, and I've turned it off at this point. Alright, so it took about 20 to 30 seconds to totally turn off, and I did let it cool down. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch this thing out. So we're going to take this canister off. We're going to pop the bracket off. And then we're going to take the wrench that came in that little tool pack, and we're going to loosen this up. Take that off, because this is for the canister type. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the little adapter for white gas. The other one is for kerosene. UG, they're marked, and UK is for the kerosene, and then UG can be used for
white gas and gasoline from, that we use for our cars, which is dirty, but it will work. And this explains in the instructions, but we're going to use UG, and we got to take this out. Now, that lets different types of gases through there the right way. We're going to take off the priming cup, unscrew the bottom here. And this is something you're going to do at home or, before you go out in the woods, because you're going to know what fuel type you're taking into the woods with you, just not when you get to a certain place necessarily. And we're going to take this part off, which allows us to see the actual pin that we're going to need to put in here. So we'll loosen this one up. And we'll put on UG. Now it's gotta carefully make sure you don't lose that little pin that's in here. And we'll tighten that back up. Okay. And we'll put this back together. Now you don't want to bend this brass tubing here. Put back the screen. It's a fire retardant. And the priming cup. And then we need to put together the rest. So this is going to get white gas in it. And we'll insert the pumping mechanism. Now I guess because this is lightweight, you might want to take this for emergency maintenance in the field. Couldn't hurt to bring that with you. All right. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to turn this a couple times to fill the white gas up in this priming cup. You don't want to fill it up too much because we got to burn that off. That's good, and we'll turn it off. And then we'll light it and burn it off. And what's going to happen is this is going to heat up this tube here and make the white gas turn into more of a mist, so it comes up through the top. So once this starts to burn down some, we'll slowly turn it back on, and it should work. Or we can roast marshmallows while it's burning off. See, it's starting to come through the top now. That's when we're going to start turning it on. We're losing the flame. So unlike the canisters where we waited 20 to 30 seconds to turn it off, when we turn this off, we gotta wait about 2 minutes. And now it's off. I'm gonna wait about 2 minutes for it to, actually that feels good, cool down. Alright, that's just about out. Guys, thanks for watching Trail Killer. I'll see you next time.